Hey guys, welcome back. Steve here at Countryside Garage. Today we're not going to be doing too much. Basically what we'll be doing today is getting the distributor cap put on because I broke the last one, and finishing up this bull crap wiring. So it's kicking my butt. I don't really like it that well, but it needs to get done. So I'll show you where we're at. Alright, so I got most of these hooked back up. All this hooked back up. I got a few over here that are still needing some plugs. And then a couple of these end wires here, I got to figure out where they go. And then once it's all done, then I can wrap the rest of it up. These all go together, so I know where those go. But it's almost done. And then all the way in the back here, I'll probably see better on this side. In the back here, let's see, got a cap. It's all busted up. See if I can get you back there to see. Well, you'll see when I take it off. We'll take it off, but I gotta get it off. And then basically what happened was when we were messing around with the body had slipped off earlier, and the firewall hit up against the cap, and it bent this as well. But that ain't nothing really. But we'll get the cap off and I'll show you. Get the intake out of the way here. So, got that out, and then this is where it broke. Got a little nub. It's basically, yeah, it hit against that, and it just... So that's all junk. I don't know. So this one is Motorcraft, and they put a number 1 on the number 1. So, just went ahead, label it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll get this put back on. So now that's done, I was looking at some of my wiring, and they're going to need replaced. You see, something's been chewing on it over here, and then there's a couple spots down on this one I think I saw earlier. Yeah, it's starting to rip here. So, can't really hook up the distributor cap to the spark plugs because I'm going to need new wires. I did not see that earlier. I wish I did. So anyways, we'll get some new wires ordered, throw them in. I lost my tan. Got it. Okay, so I got the intake back on. Torque specs for that is yay tight. So, got all the wiring finished up. Got them plugged in. Got all the injectors plugged up. Now I just gotta get a battery put in and get these wires run over here. And we should be done with the motor. Then all I gotta do next is get a piece for the steering and some plug wires, and then we can fire this baby up. See if I missed anything. So I'm just getting the rest of this all hooked up, the hoses and everything. The wiring I'm just going to leave out for right now, because if I miss something I have to take it all back out. So that's why it's kind of all just laying around. But once it's up and running and everything seems to be working, I'm going to do like a cleanup, you know, get all the wiring tucked away and all that other good stuff. So it's not going to look so ugly, but for right now that's the way it's going to be. There we go. Throttle's all hooked up. Okay. Figure out where that hose is. That hose is hooked up. That hose is hooked up. And since we raised the body, this ground strap barely reaches. So I may have to get a longer one eventually, but that one is going to have to work for right now. This wire goes. It's not a wire, it's a hose. What's that? Probably should blow that out real quick. That out of the way. Yeah, I'll just set that up there until I'm ready to blow it out. It's hooked up in here. There. It's all connected. That's all connected. That's connected. And I got a few more wiring over here I gotta figure out. Damn, I thought it was done. So dang it. Oh well, a little bit more wiring it looks like. I lied. I'm not finished with the wiring, so I think ground possibly, something else possibly. I don't know. I have to look. But we just got these two here, and then this one and this one. So I have a 50-50 chance with this motor. 50% it'll run. Other 50% but you catch fire and burn down. So let's just hope for the first 50%. So I'm hoping I got all the electrical done. If not, we'll find out. So, it's not too complicated. It's just time consuming. So just gotta pay attention to what you're doing. Take it easy. Take your time, and you'll get it eventually. So yeah, a little bit more wiring. Yay. A little bit more wiring, and then I'm just going to call it a day. Plug wires ordered, and figure out what I'm going to do with that steering. So we will catch you in the next one. Have a good day. Peace out.